So I'll be showing you how you can get free $1,000 as websites where rich people give away money for free. And one good thing about today's video is that these websites that I'll be showing you today will actually accept people who are in Africa and people who are not in Africa. So after sharing this website, please, all you need to do for me is to stick around, watch till the end, so you'll be able to see the kind of website that you know you fit into. If you're in Africa, you can also find out the website that you can actually register in. If you're not in Africa, this video also contains websites that you can also register in. All I urge you is to stick from the beginning to the end of this video. Make sure you're going to click the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload videos, just like the one you're about to watch right now, you definitely get to know about the video. First website we'll be discussing today is a website known as Give Directly. This website is a place where poor people can actually come in and get money from rich people. And if you look at this website, some of the supporters or some of the people that are actually propelling this website are Charity Navigator, You Said, The Life You Can Save, Google.org, and the rest of them. And if you look at this place, we have recipients. There's so many people who have actually received this grant from people who are rich. Like this first person, this Hamsi, actually got his own about 4 hours ago. He got about $21. And this is the 18th time he has actually received this money. Another person is Esther. Esther has received a $276. And this is the third payment that she has actually received. Next person we'll have again is Chadi. Chadi has received about $325. And this is the second tranche that he has received. And if you want to enter into this website, what you need to do is to go to the first page there. Then you go down to this page and click Contact Us. Once you click Contact Us, come down here, fill your real name. Please make sure that the name you're going to fill here is a name that is in your official ID card. You put your email address. Then if you come down here, how may we help you? If you open this drop down menu, we are going to see make a donation, edit a donation, request funding, question about job or internship. I know since we are here to receive money from the rich, so what you need to do is to select request funding, then write your message, write everything about why you want this money to be given to you. If it is a project you want to run, please make sure you're going to describe that project. Do it in a way that is going to be appealing to people who are going to be giving you this particular money. One good thing about this particular website is that people who are Africans can apply help from rich people on this particular website. The second website we'll be looking at today is another website known as awesomefoundation.org. On this awesomefoundation.org, they have actually given about $6,619,000 in grant and about 6,619 projects funded. And they have about 79 chapters and in 10 countries. So what you need to do on this particular website can also accept Africans. Once you just need to do, come here and click apply for an awesome foundation grant. Click down here. Once you click here, the thing is going to open. Then you select the chapter to apply to. If you look at this chapter here, is it worldwide, awesome, without borders, and the rest of them? Then you come here, put your real name, the name that is in your ID card, your official name, put your email address, put your phone number, put the title of your project, and describe the website of your project if you have, because this is not compulsory. Then you tell us about your awesome project. Describe that your project in a way that is going to be appealing to people who are going to be supplying you with the money. Then how will you use this money? Just tell them what this money is going to be used for. If I were you, I'm going to calm down, look at things that I need for this my project to go through. Make sure I'm going to describe how this money is going to be. Just make sure you convince them, because once you convince them, they will definitely offer you the money. Then tell us a little about yourself. Describe who you are. describe what you have been doing, describe why you need this money, describe all the things you have actually done. Then you come down here, you upload, you said upload image of your project, that particular project you are into, whatever you want to execute, upload it here and click on apply. Then the next website where rich people literally give poor people money is a website known as fundmytravel.com. But basically, one thing about this particular website is that it only offers people the opportunity to travel. That is, if you want to travel and you want your travel to be funded, this particular website is where you can come and get help. But one bad thing, if I may use this word, this website is that it is not for Africans. Africans cannot get help from this particular website. It is for people in United States of America, people in Europe, and people in Asia. If you're in any of this country, just come here, click on start funding, start fundraising, and they fill up everything. And if you do that, then you start asking for fund. But if you're not in Africa, there's no need going to this particular website because you will not be accepted. Then another website that where rich people actually give money for free is a website known as ulule.com. On this ulule.com, you see they say make good things happen. The top service for starting, training, and financing your project. Particular website can actually accept Africans and those people who are not African. What you need to do is to go down. Once you go down, you come here and click on Start on Ulule. If you click on Start on Ulule, another page is going to open for you where you must write everything about yourself. This will briefly describe your idea. You write it here, then select an option. You click for this particular option and select how much you think your project needs. Is it less than $3,500, between $3,500 and $8,000? So you make sure that you select how much you need for your project to be completed. Then fill every other necessary thing that you need, that you see here. And this is who are you? Your project is led by, is it by an individual, an organization, or a business? Then you put the social media handle or website of your business. Then click I'm not on internet. That is if you're not on internet. But if you are, you put the social media handle here, then you click on add, then you put your phone number. If you look at this place, as I'm in Nigeria, and this place has actually detected my call code here, which is 234. Then you put your email and click on start on Ulule. Then another website where rich people literally come to give poor people money, where you can beg for money, where you can get free money, is a website known as Kickstarter.com. Then this Kickstarter.com, another thing about it again is that it doesn't accept Africans. But if you're outside Africa and you're watching my video now, this is a good thing for you. You go to this website, come here, you click on Start a Project. You click on Start a Project. But for the fact that I am in Africa, I won't be able to enter this site. But what you need to do is you come here, you select the kind of project you want. Like basically, this particular website supports photographers very, very well. So you can click on photography, then you come here, click on the kind of photography you are into, but it does not mean that you cannot get any other help from here. Every other help, every other thing you see here can be sponsored by them. Select any one you like, then come to the second one, select the second category, then you click next as additional category. So when you finish, they're going to require your picture here. So once you put your picture, you write everything about your project, then submit it. And if you're selected, you'll be contacted. Please, if you are still watching my video to this particular point, please make sure you're going to help me by subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up if you're actually getting a value from this video, and make sure you share this video among your family and friends so that they too can also watch the video and start getting value from it. Then another website that can actually also help you to get money from the rich people is a website known as theprice.org. The price.org, if you go to their website, you will see We seed new organizations distributing proven poverty solutions, all aiming to scale. Are you next? To come here, say how to apply. We award startups grants of up to $20,000 to entrepreneurs launching new organizations. We believe the world needs more social impact organizations, and we seed for profit ventures, NGOs, and charities. We support organizations in any low or middle income country where extreme poverty still exists. What you need to do, you click on this receive an alert, then fill your first name, fill your email address, and click submit. Like if you look at this place, say get alerted when we launch the next global competition. We only email when a competition goes live about twice per year. We never share your data. But one good thing, if you come to this place, if you're watching this video at this time, this is the timeline. The next global competition launches in April 2024. So what you need to do is to sign up for our email alert list below and be the first to know the day we launch. Please make sure you rush into this particular website quickly. Put your first name, put your email address, and submit. So that as soon as this thing starts, they are going to alert you immediately. Guys, please make sure you're going to try all these websites. If you're in Africa, choose the one that allow Africans to come in. If you're not in Africa, choose those ones that also allow you to come in. Then another website where rich people give away money for free is the website known as indiegogo.com. On this particular website, you can do, if you go to this place, what we do, then click on this we do for you to be able to understand what this website is all about. Said get the tech that gets people talking. This particular website support those who are actually into tech business. If you have any tech idea that you want people to help you fund, this is the particular website where you can actually come to get help that you need. So what you need to do is you click on sign up here, fill your first name, fill your last name, put your email address, your password, then you come down, click I'm not a robot, and you also click to the terms of use. Then click I'm not a robot, then create an account. Once you create an account, you submit your idea and you definitely be contacted whenever there is a funding for what you want to do. Then another website where rich people literally come to give people money free of charge is a website known as justgiving.com. This justgiving.com, the website where you can start fundraising. Click on sign up. Once it opens, you put your first name, you put your last name, you put your email address, you create password, and look at the instruction. The password must be at least 12 characters, must include at least one number, a lower or uppercase letter, and a special character. These are the special characters. Must not include your email name, or a commonly used word. So when you finish, you click yes here if you like, or no if you don't like, then click on sign up. And last but not the least, on the websites where people literally give others, on where people come to give you money for free, is a website known as breakernofilter.org. Then if you come to this website now, what you need to do is to come to this place that shows grant making, then click on grants. This place will show you whether there is an opening or not. You see, these are some of the things they can fund for you. Like by this one is already closed, this one is closed, this one is closed. And if you come down here, funding opportunity for African filmmakers changing the narrative about Africa. This one is open. Then if you're into this particular category and you need funding, just come here. So this one is open. You click learn more. Once you click learn more, you find out what is needed for you to apply. Then you need to apply and get your funding immediately. I go to this particular point. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.